Imagine waking up in a home that already knows what you need. The lights start to warm up as the sun rises. The thermostat has adjusted to the perfect temperature, and your coffee is brewing just as you like it. This isn't a glimpse into the distant future. It's the reality of smart home automation. It's about more than just technology. It's about creating a lifestyle that brings ease, security, and energy efficiency into your everyday routine. Hello and welcome to T's Techno channel, where we dive deep into the world of technology. Today, we're uncovering some fascinating and lesser-known facts about smart homes. Buckle up, like, share, and subscribe because these nuggets of information are exactly what you need. Think about those cold winter mornings when getting out of bed feels like a chore. Now imagine your home gently easing you into the day, with a smart thermostat ensuring that every room is as cozy as possible. The lights gradually brighten, mimicking natural sunlight, making you feel more awake and ready to take on the day. This isn't just convenience. It's a way to start your day feeling good, right from the comfort of your own home. Central to all this is your smart hub. Think of it as the command center for your entire home. Whether it's an Amazon Echo, Google Nest Hub, or Apple HomePod, it's like having a personal assistant who never takes a day off. I remember the first time I set up my smart hub. It was like discovering a new level of ease in everyday life. Suddenly, controlling lights, music, and even the temperature was as simple as saying a few words. And then there's smart lighting. We've all had those moments where we've come home to a dark house, fumbling for the light switch. With smart lights, that's a thing of the past. Imagine pulling into your driveway and having the lights turn on automatically, welcoming you home. Or maybe you're settling in for a movie night, and with just a quick voice command, the lights dim to the perfect setting. These little moments add up to a home that's truly in tune with your life. Speaking of comfort, smart thermostats like the Nest or Ecobee aren't just about convenience. They're about making your home more efficient. They learn your routine and adjust the temperature accordingly, so you're not wasting energy when you're not home. I used to dread those high energy bills during the summer, but after installing a smart thermostat, I noticed a significant drop. It's like your home is looking out for you, helping you save money without you even realizing it. Security is another huge part of smart home automation. Whether it's a Ring doorbell or Arlo cameras, these devices give you peace of mind that's hard to put a price on. I remember being on vacation, hundreds of miles away, and still being able to see who was at my front door. That sense of control, even when you're not there, is incredibly reassuring. Smart appliances take things even further. Imagine your oven sending you a notification when dinner's ready, or your washing machine adjusting its cycle to save water. These aren't just cool features. They're practical, everyday improvements that make life a little easier. I'll never forget the first time I left the house wondering if I turned off the oven, only to check and control it from my phone. The relief I felt in that moment was worth every penny. Setting up your smart home doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, maybe with a smart thermostat or a few lights, and build from there. My journey into smart home tech began with a single smart bulb, and before I knew it, I was hooked. The key is to find what works best for you and your home. Maybe you start by choosing the ecosystem that fits your lifestyle, whether it's Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit. Each one has its strengths, and you'll want to ensure that the devices you choose can all work together. Of course, a strong Wi-Fi network is essential for everything to run smoothly. I learned this the hard way when my smart devices kept dropping offline due to poor signal. Upgrading to a mesh Wi-Fi system was a game changer. It was like giving my smart home the solid foundation it needed to truly shine. Automation is where the magic really happens. Imagine creating a good morning routine that turns on the lights, starts the coffee maker, and even reads you the morning news, all with a single command. Or picture setting up an automation that turns on your porch light as soon as you're a mile from home. These little touches make your home feel like it's truly working for you, anticipating your needs before you even realize them. Voice control is another powerful feature. Whether you're cooking dinner and need to add something to your shopping list, or you just want to change the music while you're entertaining friends, all you have to do is ask. It's like having a personal assistant who's always there, ready to help. And with IFT, you can create even more custom automations that connect different devices and services. I set up an automation to turn on the lights and unlock the door as soon as I pull into the driveway. It's these little touches that make coming home feel even more special. Security and privacy are important, too. Ensuring that your network is secure with strong passwords and up-to-date firmware is a simple but crucial step. I remember being a bit nervous about privacy at first, but by choosing reputable brands and being mindful of the settings, I found a balance that works for me. Remember, if you want to see more videos like these, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you're notified each time we post an interesting video like this one. Now, how does the future of smart home automation look like, you may ask? The future of smart home automation is incredibly exciting. With advancements in AI, our homes will become even more intuitive, learning our habits and preferences to create truly personalized environments. Efforts like the Matter protocol will make it easier than ever to mix and match devices from different brands, giving us more flexibility and control. Building a smart home is an ongoing journey, one that brings countless benefits, from convenience to energy savings. Start with what matters most to you, and let your home grow smarter over time. It's not just about having the latest gadgets. It's about creating a home that enhances your life, making every day a little bit easier, safer, and more enjoyable. If this guide has inspired you, I encourage you to start your own journey into smart home automation. You'll be amazed at how quickly these small changes can make a big difference in your daily life. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of smart homes. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights from T's Techno channel. See you next time.